Hi guys! So today I want to say first thank you so much for your support, for still shopping my Amazon shop. You guys are still making small donations, which is so appreciated. And also for watching and sharing my channel. Very welcome, very heartfelt. Thank you for your support. I deeply, deeply appreciate it. And now, this inspired viewer Sharon sent me this email that I wanted to share with you guys. Heather, I followed you on YouTube and love your work. I'm in quarantine and decided to try the project you did with your best friend. That's this tree right here. She said, so I attached a picture of the tree I made. Thank you both for the inspiration. And this is Sharon's tree. Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I love it. I love it almost more than my own. It's beautiful. So I just want to say, you guys, this is a great idea. If you want to be featured on my channel, what I want you to do is email me your inspired work to heathermaderart@gmail.com. I'll share it on my channel with everybody. Just pop me an email and I can't wait to see your beautiful creations. Also announcing, if you don't know, I started a new channel. I know, crazy, right? But as some of you do and do not know, I started Heather Mader Cooks. So there's going to be recipes. You guys can cook with me. Some of them are concept recipes, vegan and vegetarian alternatives. Please subscribe, watch, and share, and help me grow my new channel. Thanks so much. All right, those are the colors used in the original part of this pour. This is a little canvas. It's like a 12 by 16, I want to say. Yeah, 12 by 16. And I'm just doing an easy little ring pour here. You can see, just alternating how I do the pour. Sometimes a little ring to the right, a little straight pour, and a little ring to the left. I'm moving my cup a little closer to get different effects and then pulling it away to get different effects. Now at the end, I love this little part. When the paint starts coming out in a very, very thin line, I just start going crazy. Right here. Just all kinds of really, really fast moving circles, and I love the way that looks. Look at how it blossoms. It gets alive. So, and then I decided to try this thing I've never done. I'm gonna call it the touch and pour. And what you do basically is you fill your cup with paint, just like you would for a pour. You touch the lip of it actually right down to the canvas with no space. You're touching the cup right to the canvas, and then you pour it out. And actually tried it on a different painting first. I wanted to see, you know, the pattern, if I could repeat it. This was the first one that I tried, the first touch and pour. Actually, I haven't published this one, but you can see I touched the lip of the cup right there, and then I just really slowly pour out the paint. It just makes the most beautiful pattern, and then I kind of flick my wrist over the top, and it creates almost what would be like a rounded heart or something. Isn't that pretty? That one looks, yeah, it's the same pattern. See, the two of them. So I think there's a lot that could be done and explored with this. This is the first two that I've tried, but I definitely love the effect. And I have a few little ideas. Actually, you know, I think my biggest issue, I have so many ideas, you guys. It's hard because I just never have time. And now I'm not even working. I only have one little chef client left per week. And so I have 6 days to do painting and my cooking channel. You know, editing, I'm still so busy. It's crazy. But yeah, it seems like the more time I have too, the more ideas that I have. So I'm like, oh, I don't even know how to keep up with it. Yeah, I have so many ideas, but I think this could be a really interesting thing. I'd like to see you guys try the touch and pour. If you try a touch and pour, can you email me your photo, and maybe I'll feature a couple of them, a couple of my favorites on the channel. Or any other kind of inspired pieces anything that I've inspired you, balloon rolls, or maybe canvases that you swiped a bunch off, and then, you know, I do that a lot. I'd love to see color inspiration. I've seen some people do some beautiful Heather Mader art inspired colors. Yeah. So look at that. I just love the way that looks. You guys can tell me what this reminds me of, what reminds you of, because it kind of reminds me of like an emerald river coming around there. And then also, you know, I'm going to pull out my airbrush here, and then you'll definitely get that ocean feel too, as the airbrush with blue against the white is always going to make these beautiful, foamy looking, crashing wave patterns. And I just love those. I decided to give even more movement by doing some little swipes through here, just taking a skewer and running them through the white. It's such a subtle thing to do. You can barely even see that it means anything, but it really does. And I'm going to take you in for a close-up so you can see how pretty that turned out. I love that edge right there. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Just so aquatic looking. See, look at how it just flows like a river. Isn't that pretty? It's a pretty piece, and it's small. It's a smaller one. It is available if you're interested, and anything that you've seen recently, if you're interested, just contact me via email or Facebook or Messenger, Instagram, Heather Mader Art. Pretty much I'm Heather Mader Art on all social networks. Yeah, a couple of my favorite pretty pieces right there. And then that's the whole thing. I just think it ended up so nice. Well, thanks for coming along with me, you guys. And please, please check out my new channel. Help me grow my new channel, you guys. I would love to share all my cooking tips and tricks I've been a professional chef for almost 20 years. So I have so much knowledge to share, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Come cook with me, subscribe, watch, share, and as always, I can't wait to make more art videos just for you. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.